Hello, this is Attachment Studios. Attachment Aditya here, and I will share you something new today. So, first of all, it's very simple. You need to go to scratch.mit.edu or the second site, attachmentstudios.itch.io slash step order. This is an easier way, or we can go to Scratch, search the step coder. By default, it will not appear step coder, but when we click enter, we see only one project. And here it is, the same project. When we open it, we see something new. Step coder. So, I would like to brief you about the step coder too. Now, what is step coder? So, about step coder is an easy beginner friendly coding program or engine. Coding engine might be better, program as well. It's made with Scratch, scratch.mit.edu, and how to use. Click the green flag. This will let's me load the page. Green flag, come over. This green flag or this green flag, and will work. And this is step coder 0.7, 0.8 will release in October because all of our projects are on hold. Now, beneath this how to use, you will see examples. So you must have guessed that it's made by me only, step coder. Yes, it's made by me and available on this site, and it's not necessary to show all that things. But still, you have some examples. You can copy that to let's try that if it works, because in this update some major bugs have been added. Okay, that's successful, I guess, and we can do some more tricks, I guess. More tricks. Control C, Control V, enter, timer reset. Let's scroll down. We have more tricks. Log.clear. Well, this one seems a little bit useful. Let's type that in. Log.clear. Well, I am the creator of this engine, so I know all the code. Yeah, for sure. You can check that. It's open source. See this link. Links in description, I guess. I hope both. Yeah, both are the same thing. One are both same. So let's check. So it actually cleared the log, I guess. Now we need to do something like sys.clear to clear this stuff from command history. We have more codes as well. I will let you show them. Cleared, code successful. We can also see syntax errors, and that's the point. Why? Don't know, because it's better. You can leave that empty syntax error. I don't know why, but you can. It will not show the reason for syntax error for now. We also have some speak modules that will speak stuff. Yeah, and you can check the wiki and download it. And here is the website. You can just click on download and you will be teleported to here. Well, you don't get it downloaded, but you can actually click on the heading to get here as well. See, both are the same stuff. Let's remove one. It's HR powered, I don't know why. And here you have the whole list, and here you have all the commands, the version it has been added or removed. Minus represents removed, Rest represents added notes, and most will be like this only, useless copyings of same course. So this is made by attachment Aditya. This all attachment studios slash. So speak and more things. Only thing missing here is the examples. Okay, I have added that earlier. So here we have everything. We can see all the examples, all the things, and download it for just 11 KB. I mean, in 11 KB or whatever. And the problem is that you will not get all these files, but you will get a well-maintained wiki, good one. Now that's it actually, and you can also teleport from here to step code wiki from where you can check, and it's 0.7, not 8 or 6 but 7. So this is step coder wiki, step coder, and you were currently watching attachment studios, and this was attachment Aditya. Please check it out immediately. You might check it out, might be better, and you can also check out more projects at this site. I guess for now nothing other than step coder, usual stuff. Yes, you can just play that. Well, this is the real online box, but still, it's 7 minutes and it's been time. That's it. Waiting for 7 minutes 30 seconds. Till that, we can showcase some things. ATT Studio, Attachment Studios, I guess, official dot wordpress.com. You can contact us from here as well. That's it. Let's extend that to 8 minutes. Everything. Theories, content, no supporters is there actually. Members as well. About page, what we provide. Contents. These are only the pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the main page doesn't carry much, and only one follower. That's not good actually, and that's it.